Hello guys, my name is Rajesh and welcome to the second day class of Microsoft Excel tutorial. Today we are going to explore the inbuilt formulas and functions of Microsoft Excel step by step. So I have this data today and we will be applying some of the most common functions that you should know. So this data is a mark sheet of some of the students, and here in the first column this is roll number, here is the name of students and 5 subjects. And here are so many functions that I am going to show you how to calculate these functions and why they are so important. Alright, so let's begin with the first one, sum. Actually there are so many methods to calculate sum, but I will tell you the actual formula how it works. Okay, let's write the formula for sum. So in the beginning there should be equal to sign for all formulas, equal to SUM, press tab, then select all these numbers and press enter. So this is the sum. Okay, now click here so that it will decrease the decimal. Now we can drag it down. So now calculate the average. Similarly, average can be calculated as equal to AVERA. Okay, it will automatically write, just press tab. Now select all these values and press enter. So this is our average 40.2. You can double click here or you can drag it. Now let's calculate the percentage. You know the formula of percentage is obtained marks upon total marks into 100%. Okay, so let's write the formula. Equal to obtained marks is 201, right? So we will write H3 divided by total marks. Total marks is, let's suppose we have 5 subjects, let's see 500, and press enter. Is this the percentage? No, this is not percentage. 0.40. It's wrong. No, it's right. If you click here, wow, it's 40%, right? Now just double click here and all will be calculated at once. Now the next function is minimum. We have 5 subjects. We will calculate the minimum value. Okay, so let's write equal to min, minimum, from here to here, which is the minimum value. Oh, 24 is the minimum value. And let's calculate the max also. Maximum value. It's as simple as that. Now you can select both and then double click, so it will calculate automatically. Now count. Let's use this. Maybe sometime you have so many data you need to count, so at that time the count function is very important. Very equal to count from here to here, enter. Yeah, it's 5 obviously. SUMIF is the function that will calculate the sum condition. Let's suppose I want to add only those numbers which are greater than 50. Equal to SUMIF range. This is our range. We want to calculate within this range, comma, criteria. What is your criteria? I mean, what type of value you want? I want value greater than 50 only. I want to sum greater than 50 only. Then I will close the bracket and press enter. Now you can double click here and it will only add the data that is greater than 50 for all these things. Similarly you can do with less than 50 or less than 30, greater than 40, or you can use as many conditions as you want. This round on the average because here are so many decimals. So let's use this round in column I. Let's write the formula. Equal to round, press tab, this number, and how many digits. How many digits you want. Let's suppose I don't want any digits in decimal. I will write 0. Okay, so this is 40. Now drag it down. Yeah, now you can see it is 48.8, so it becomes 49. It is 72.8, so it becomes 73. It is 40.2, it becomes 40. Alright, it's simple. And now the next one is integer. Integer and round are similar, but integer only removes the decimal. It will not look if it is greater than 0.5 or not. Okay, let's do it. Equal to integer number, this one we will again do, yeah, so this is 40. You can drag it down. Okay, you can see the difference, yeah, difference in value. One is length, so let's calculate the length of the name of students. Okay, let's see, equal to len, length of text, this one. So the length is 3 characters are there. Okay, now we have so many functions. Let's hide all those things because these are not important right now. Let's hide, we will unhide them later, hide, so that we have plenty of space again. Now we have the next function, write. So what the write will do, write will count the characters or numbers from right side. Now let's, for example, in this roll number I want the last 3 characters, equal to write, now text, this is the text, comma, how many number or how many characters you need from right side. Yeah, all characters, yeah, 254, look here. Now 547, look here, 547. Similar for left, text is this, from left side how many characters you need. Okay, let's suppose we need 2 characters, bracket close. It's great. There's one more function, concatenate. Okay, it will add something, like for example we want to add roll number and name of these students. So what we will use, concatenate, equal to concatenate, press tab. Okay, this comma this, close the bracket, press enter. Now you can see Sam AL 254. If you drag it down, then everything will be concatenate, all these things. Now if you want to put space between these, between the 3 comma inverted comma space inverted comma comma, now it will create space, see, yeah, you can see Sam space AL 254. Now drag it down, and result also we will do, but before this let's do this COUNTA and COUNTIF. So COUNTA, we have already done count. Where is the count? It is hidden. Let's unhide this. Is both, because it is in between J and Q, so we have to select these both columns, right click, unhide. Okay, where is the count? Yeah, here is the count. So count will only count the numbers, but COUNTA will also count numbers or characters, whatever it is. Okay, let's count this. Is equal to count A here to here, enter. Wow, it's 10. If you use count, let's see what will happen. Count here to here, enter, 0, because it will not count. So we use COUNTA. If we have to count some alphabets or numerical anything, then we will use COUNTA. But if we have to count only the numbers, then we will use count. COUNTIF is similar to SUMIF. In SUMIF, what we do, we add something with, in COUNTIF we count something with conditions. Let's suppose we count how many Sam we have. Sam equal to count if tab range from here to here, comma inverted comma Sam, inverted comma close and bracket close. Wow, 2 Sam are there, right? Use COUNTIF in numbers also. You want to count only the numbers which are less than 20. COUNTIF range is this, comma criteria less than 20, right? Okay, so less than 20 we have only 2. Let's see which one. Yeah, one this and one this. Now we will be using logical functions, relational operators, conditional operators. So we will be using all these 3 things here in division. Let's hide all those things because they are not so important right now. Hide those things. Now division. Now we have, let's suppose we have a condition. This is a percentage. If our percentage is greater than 80, we will get A. If greater than 60, then B grade, and less than 60, C grade. I'm going to write the formula, keep attention here, equal to if J3 is greater than or equal to 80%, then comma, then we will have A grade, comma, if, again if, because we have again some condition, if J3 is, if bracket J3 is greater than or equal to 60%, comma, what will be there? B grade, right? B grade. Now we don't have any condition, we have only one condition, last one. If it is less than 60, then it will be C grade. We will just write comma C grade. Alright, now let's close it twice because we have two bracket open. Press enter, it will write C grade. Let's check if it is working for other values or not. It's great. Now in this way, in division we use relational operators like this, greater than, equal to, not equal to. These all are what? Relational operators. And what is this if? If is conditional operator. Now we will use logical operator also. So here the AND logical operator will check all the values are true or not. If all the values are true, result will be true. But the OR logical operator will check if any one of the value is true, the result will be true. Alright, so let's calculate the results so that you will get to know about this. Let's suppose 30 is our pass mark. If all the subjects are passed, then the student will be passed. Here we will use AND operator. So if bracket open, now we will check all these values should be greater than 30, right? We will write AND C3 should be greater than or equal to 30, comma D3 should be equal to greater than or equal to 30. E3 greater than equal to 30, comma F3 greater than equal to 30, comma G3 greater than equal to 30. Finish. Now close the bracket, comma. Now if this condition will true, then what? If all are greater than 30, then PASSED, passed. Otherwise failed. Bracket close. Let's press enter. Yeah, it is failed. Similarly, you can calculate this thing using OR function also. Okay, I will tell you here how to use the OR function. Equal to if or, what OR will say? If any one of the value is less than 30, then it will fail. Bracket open. If C3 is less than 30, comma D3 less than 30, E3 less than 30, F3 less than 30, and G3 is less than 30. Let's close it and let's see if this condition will occur. Then what happen? Fail. Otherwise it will pass. Let's close this, press enter. Yeah, it's failed. Now let's drag it drop. Here finally we can use AND or OR according to our need. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt or any confusion regarding any video or any topic related to Microsoft Excel, please comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. In return, please like, share and subscribe the channel and press that bell icon so that you will never miss such awesome computer learning tutorials. See you on the next video. Thank you and have a good day.